Hello my dear friends, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Today in this video I am going to cover about punctuation. Punctuation is the use of various signs or marks in written language to bring clarity to the meaning of a sentence or a passage. We use a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence. Example: the dog is a faithful animal. It is a statement. Are dogs faithful animals? This is a question. So we have used question mark over here. How faithful dogs are? We have used exclamation mark because this is an exclamatory sentence. A comma is used to separate words or phrases in a sentence after introductory words such as yes, no, well, oh, etc. to separate the name of the listener from the rest of the sentence and to show a pause or a break between parts of a sentence. Example: 50 students, 3 teachers, and 1 helper went for the trip. Here, comma has been used after 50 students. Yes, that is Tashi's younger brother. In this sentence, comma has been used after yes. Ram, will you bring me that book? In this sentence, comma has been used after the name of the listener. Everyone stayed for the party, but Rohit left early. Here, comma has been used to show a break between parts of a sentence. We use an apostrophe to show belonging or the relationship between two things. We also use it in contractions. Example: Neha's boutique. This apostrophe shows the belongingness of the boutique. The professor's lecture. This apostrophe shows relationship. We will. Here, this apostrophe shows contractions. Next is quotation mark. We use quotation marks to enclose the exact words spoken by a person or to enclose titles of stories, poems, essays and articles. Example: what a wonderful painting! Exclaimed Mohi. This sentence, what a wonderful painting, has been said by Mohi. So these spoken words have been kept in quotation mark. R.K. Narayan's story, An Astrologer's Day. This An Astrologer's Day is title of a story. Next is capital letter. We use a capital letter to begin a sentence and for proper nouns. The proper noun I is always written in capital. Example: you and I will go to Mathura tonight. In this sentence, Y is capital because it is beginning of a sentence. I is always written in capital, and because Mathura is a proper noun, so M is capital. Next is colon. The colon is used to introduce a list, an explanation, a quote, or a definition. We also use a colon to distinguish the title from the subtitle and hours from minutes. Example, the examinees were asked to bring three things: colon, a pencil, an eraser, and a scale. Because this is a list, so we have used colon over here. Let's not forget the main issue. We need to quit using plastic. This is explanation, so we have used colon over here. Peter Pan, every time you say you don't believe in fairies, the fairy dies. This is a quotation. Oodles, a very large amount of something pleasant. As this is definition, so colon has been used over here. Nitin bought a copy of George Eliot's novel Middlemarch, a study of provincial life. Here, a study of provincial life is a subtitle, so colon has been used over here. 11:34 a.m. This colon separates hours and minutes. Next is semicolon. The semicolon joins two independent sentences that are closely related. It often replaces a conjunction or a connective. We also use semicolons in place of commas in a list that has commas within items. Example, Jessica never goes out after dark. She's scared of ghosts. I have not used because over here, so semicolon can be placed instead of a connective. Ridit has finished his work, therefore he left earlier than usual. Semicolon has been used over here in this sentence. That's it in this video, dear all. In the next video, I will tell you about sentences and its types. Up till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.